Hello students. Mm, Welcome back once again in our online teaching. See, after a long period now we are going to start next chapter of our history subject. The chapter's name is In the Earliest Cities. See students, as we are studying the good old days, ancient days of our history. So at the time of studying all these things, we should know many more things about the good old days. See here in this lesson, in the earliest cities, it means that we are going to study now in this chapter the oldest cities. Cities, earliest means very oldest cities we are going to study. Here in this lesson we are going to study about the Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal. And these are the oldest cities. These are the earliest cities means what? खूप जुनी शहर, त्या काळातील एन्शंट प्राचीन काळातील खूप जुनी शहर असलेली. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हराप्पा. You may have heard the names of these cities, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, as well as you may have seen the movie related to the Mohenjo-daro city, Kalibangan, Lothal. These are the oldest and the earliest cities which are very important and we should know about them. Now in this chapter we are going to study their construction styles as well as their lifestyle, craft persons, and many more things. Now we are going to study in this chapter about these studies about these cities. So let's start this lesson. See the story of the Harappa. See the story of the Harappa we are going to see, but before that we should know these cities were just I told you the names, just like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal. See, you should know these cities were found in the Punjab and Sindh in Pakistan, and in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and the Punjab in India. Archaeologists have found a set of unique objects in almost all these cities. Red pottery painted with designs in black, stone weights, seals, special beads, copper tools, and parallel sided long stone blades. See, archaeologists are the persons who study who dig out the old things, who do excavation and find out the new things, new proofs about the history. These are the archaeologists. Now here see, as I told you, these cities, where these cities are found, these cities were found in the Punjab. बघा बघा ओल्ड सिटीज कुठे कुठे सापडलेले आहेत तर पंजाब अँड सिंध इन पाकिस्तान. नाउ द सिंध इज इन पाकिस्तान. In Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab in India, and all these just the states are referred here. In these states, these old cities, these earliest cities are found by the archaeologists. See, archaeologists are we can say the very brilliant people. They studies about the history and the old objects with the help of excavation. Now let's start the lesson, students. See the story of Harappa. As I told you, the Harappa is one of the earliest cities which is very important. We should know about the Harappa. What happened? How we got information about the Harappa? See, Harappa nearly about 150 years ago. See students, listen very carefully. Now we are going to see the history, going to see the story of the Harappa, one of the earliest cities. See, near about the 150 years ago, जवळजवळ 150 वर्षा पाठीमागं, when railway lines were being laid down for the first time in the Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa. In present day, it is in Pakistan. See student, the Harappa now is in Pakistan, but near about 150 years ago, म्हणजे 150 वर्षा पाठीमागं जेव्हा रेल्वे लाईन्स टाकायला चालू केल्या पंजाबमध्ये, तेव्हा इंजिनियर्सना एका ठिकाणी काय सापडलं तर दे गॉट अ माउंड ऑफ द bricks म्हणजे विटा. They got the mound of the bricks, and at that time these engineers who were constructing the railway lines, they thought it is just like a ready-made high quality bricks. They got a mine. त्यांना असं वाटलं की आपल्याला माइन एक खाण सापडलेली आहे, कशाची तर रेडीमेड हाय क्वालिटी ब्रिक्सची. सो these engineers dig out these bricks and use for the constructions. So this is the beginning of the this is the beginning of the excavation. But these engineers thought that it is a mine, it is a mound of the ready-made high quality bricks, and these engineers use these bricks for the construction. But what happened again? Then next, about 80 years ago, see students, listen carefully. Then in near about 80 years ago, आता जवळजवळ 80 वर्षा पाठीमागं, archaeologists found this site, and archaeologists when started to study about these evidences, started to study about these things, objects. They discovered discovered this city in this area. See what happened. But 80 वर्षा पाठीमागं जेव्हा आर्किओलॉजिस्टनी इथं एक्झिबिशन खोदकाम केलं तेव्हा त्यांना हे सगळं सापडलं, आणि तेव्हा त्यांना हे कळालं की दिस इज नॉट अ माइन और द माउंड ऑफ द रेडीमेड ब्रिक्स, बट इट इज द सिटी. See, but it is a city, it is the earliest city. And these archaeologists started to excavation, started to dig out all these things. Then they were found, were described as Harappans, and these cities developed about 4700 years ago. म्हणजे जवळजवळ 4700 वर्षा पाठीमागं आर्किओलॉजिस्टना कळालं की इथं सिटीज होत्या, म्हणजे नियर अबाउट 5000 इयर्स अगो. जवळ त्यांना कळालं की 4-5,500 वर्षा पाठीमागं इथं एक शहर होतं, आणि त्या शहराचं नाव होतं हरप्पा, आणि तिथं त्यांना जे ऑब्जेक्ट सापडले त्यांनी त्याला नाव दिलं हरप्पन. सी, देन this is the beginning of the history, beginning of the story of the Harappa. Then let's see what was special about these cities. See, these cities, just like Harappa, these cities were divided into two parts. That is, the higher part is called a citadel. See students, higher part of this city is called a citadel, and the lower part of this city is called a lower town. See, now we are going to study the construction style of this city. The higher part of this town, higher part of this city is called a citadel, and the lower part of this city is called a lower town. And here in that area, these people were used a high quality bricks. See, वेल बेक, व्यवस्थित वेल बेक केलेल्या म्हणजे भाजलेल्या अशा मातीच्या विटा त्यांनी वापरलेल्या होत्या. and the bricks were at the time of construction, these peoples were used a interlocking pattern, so they made walls strong. आणि त्यांनी इंटरलॉकिंग पॅटर्नचा वापर केलेला होता. इंटरलॉकिंग म्हणजे एकावर एक असं रचनेची एक वेगळ्या पद्धतीने एक उभी एक आडवी असं हॉरिझॉन्टल अँड ब्रिड जस्ट लाईक दॅट त्यांनी ती रचलेलं होतं, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये वॉल्स खूपच हे होत्या, स्ट्रॉंग होत्या. सी, and this is the construction style. It means that in that area also the people of that era also used the high quality baked bricks for the constructions. So the constructions were very strong. Then let's see about the Mohenjo-daro. It is also it is also one of the earliest cities, and this Mohenjo-daro is famous for, see, the Mohenjo-daro is famous for the great bath. See, the Mohenjo-daro is famous for a ग्रेट बाथ म्हणजे तिथं असे कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलं असेल, मधोमध पाण्याचा टँक असायचा आणि साईडला कन्स्ट्रक्शन जस्ट लाईक स्विमिंग पूल, आणि त्याच्या साईडला असणारे बाथरूम, चेंजिंग रूम्स, जस्ट लाईक कन्स्ट्रक्शन इज देअर. मोहेंजोदारो इज अ व्हेरी स्पेशल टँक विच आर्किओलॉजिस्ट कॉल द ग्रेट बाथ. मोहेंजोदारोमध्ये त्यांना एक स्पेशल टाईपचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन सापडलं आपल्या आर्किओलॉजिस्टना, आणि तिथं त्या आर्किओलॉजिस्टनी त्याला नाव दिलं ग्रेट बाथ. आता ग्रेट बाथ कसं होतं तर की मधोमध पाण्याचा टँक असायचा, वॉटर टँक. सी, bath was built in this area. This was lined with bricks, coated with plaster, and made watertight with a layer of natural tar. Then steps were also there from the both sides, as well as water was used brought from the well and drain out after use. Perhaps sometime at the important people took a dip in this tank on special occasions. बघा, मोहेंजोदारो म्हणजे मोहेंजोदारो हे ग्रेट बाथसाठी फेमस होतं. ग्रेट बाथ म्हणजे स्पेशल टँक पाण्याचा मधोमध केला असायचा, आणि त्याच्या ग्रेट बाथच्या चारी बाजूला रूम्स अवेलेबल असायच्या. देन अदर सिटीज सच ॲज कालीबंगन अँड लोथल हॅड फायर अल्टर्स. बघा, कालीबंगन आणि लोथल, दीज आर द अर्लिएस्ट सिटीज विच वेअर फेमस फॉर द फायर अल्टर्स. फायर अल्टर्स यज्ञवेदी, वेदी देण्यासाठी असलेल्या फायर अल्टर्स, where sacrifices may have been performed, and some cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal elaborate those storehouses. आणि त्याचबरोबर तिथं स्टोअर हाऊसेस सुद्धा असायचे. Now see, you can see there is a picture of a great bath. See on your screen. In Mohenjo-daro is famous for a great bath. See, at the middle there is a tank, and the both sides there are the steps, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये वॉटर असायचं, आणि ते वेल मधून आणलेलं असायचं ग्रेट बाथ मध्ये, आणि चारी बाजूला त्याच्या रूम्स अवेलेबल असायचे. तुम्हाला दिसतील की रूमचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे साईडला, रूम्स अवेलेबल असायचे. दिस इज अ ग्रेट बाथ. Then here you can see the construction style. Here you can see the construction style. See the how the bricks are arranged. How the bricks are arranged. It makes construction very strong. Then houses, drains, and the streets. Here in this old ancient age, drainage system was also available. Streets were also available. See, जनरली हाऊसेस वेर आयदर 1 or 2 story. घरं कशी बांधलेली असायची तर 1 or 2, 1 मजली किंवा 2 मजली असायची. विथ रूम्स बिल्ट अराउंड अ कोर्टयार्ड. कोर्टयार्ड असायचं. कोर्टयार्ड आपण म्हणू शकतो की अंगण, फ्री स्पेस. देन मोस्ट हाऊसेस हॅड अ सेपरेट बेथिंग एरिया. सप्लाय ऑफ वॉटर इज ऑल्सो देअर, बट दिस सप्लाय ऑफ वॉटर फ्रॉम देअर वेल्स, विहिरी असायच्या. मेनी ऑफ द सिटीज कव्हर्ड विथ द ड्रेन्स. ड्रेनेज सिस्टीम सुद्धा आपल्याला बघायला मिळते त्या एरियामध्ये. हाऊसेस, ड्रेन्स अँड द streets. Then here you can see there is a drainage system. Here it is a drainage system of that area. Then here is a well. You can see a street in Mohindoro with a drain and well. आणि मग अशा प्रकारचं तिथं आपल्याला कन्स्ट्रक्शन बघायला मिळतं की इन द अर्लिएस्ट सिटीज, म्हणजे इतक्या जुन्या काळातही त्या अर्लिएस्ट सिटीज प्रॉपर आणि एकदम कम्फर्टेबल अशा कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेल्या असायच्या. लाईफ इन द सिटी. आता शहरामध्ये लाईफ कसं असायचं तर देअर वेर रूलर्स. त्या शहरामध्ये कोण असायचे ते ह्या अर्लिएस्ट सिटीज म्हणजे हडप्पा, मोहेंजोदडो, सॉरी, कालीमंगळ आणि लोथर. तर रूलर्स वेर देअर. दे these rulers planned different special constructions, special buildings in the city, and these were the probably rulers राज्यकर्ते असायचे. And these rulers sent the people to distant land to bring precious stones, metals and other things they wanted. म्हणजे इथं कोण rulers who control the city or who handle the all affairs of the city. Then as well as there were also the craft persons are also there. Ornaments of gold and silver or beautiful beads themselves. Scribes, craft persons असायचे. Scribes we have studied in a previous lesson. Scribes, people who know how to write, who help prepare the seals and the proper route on other materials that have not survived. See, in our previous lesson, I think lesson number 2, we have studied the scribes. Scribes are the people who know how to write. Ordinary people can't read and write. Common people can't read and write. So this scribe is a special people who know write, and these people help to make the seals to the rulers or the kings. Beside there were men and women, आणि ह्यांच्या रूलर्स असायचे, स्क्राइब्स असायचे, क्राफ्ट पर्सन्स तर होतेच, पण आयदर देअर सी men and women craft persons making all kinds of things either in their homes or in a special workshops where traveling distance land craft person ही होते. So this is the life of the city. You can see here new crafts in the city. You can see there is a picture of the different things. Beads are there, precious metals are there. You can see. Let us look some of the objects that are made found in the Harappan cities. Harappan city मध्ये सापडलेले काही objects. Most of the things that have been found archaeologists are made of stone, shell and the metals including copper, bronze, gold and silver. आणि हरप्पन सिटीमध्ये जेव्हा आर्किओलॉजिस्टने डिग आउट केलं, एक्झामिनेशन केलं, तेव्हा त्यांना काय सापडलं तर त्यांना तिथं ज्वेलरी सापडली, ऑर्नामेंट सापडले. आणि हे ऑर्नामेंट्स कशापासून तयार केलेले होते, ज्वेलरी कशापासून तयार केलेली होती. द पीपल ऑफ द टीरा वेर यूज स्टोन्स, शेल्स अँड द मेटल. स्टोन्स दगड आपण स्टोन्सचे म्हणू की वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे मौल्यवान व्हॅल्युएबल स्टोन्स ते वापरले होते. शेल्स वापरलेली होती. मेटल्स धातू वापरलेली होती. मेटलमध्ये कोण होतं तर कॉपर, ब्रॉन्झ, गोल्ड अँड सिल्वर. इट मीन्स दॅट पीपल ऑफ दॅट इरा ऑल्सो यूज द ऑर्नामेंट्स, वेपन्स, व्हेसल्स म्हणजे भांडी आपण असं म्हणू, युटेन्सिल्स. Gold and silver are used to make ornaments and the vessels. Perhaps the most striking find are those of beads and the blades. See, you can see there is a type of jewelry. See, red colored jewelry is there, yellow colored, maybe gold, copper and the bronze. These things were used to make the ornaments. So see students, these are the one of the, you can say, the different style. Here you can see there are the terracotta toys. तुम्हाला येलो कलरची खेळणी दिसत आहेत. these toys were used by the stone named terracotta. टेराकोटा नावाचं एक दगड, त्याच्यापासून या स्टोन्स टॉईज तयार केली जायची. हिअर यू कॅन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ द सील, शिक्का मारला जातो, स्क्राईबनी तयार केलेलं असायचं. सो स्टुडंट सी, these are the different special features about the earliest cities. Then the earliest cities are the Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and the Kalibangan. See, Mohenjo-daro is famous for a great bath, just we have seen the construction style. Then Kalibangan and Lothal is famous for the fire altars which is used for the sacrifices. So student, these are the important earliest city just we have seen, and the remaining part we will see to the next session. Okay, till then you should read this lesson very carefully. This is very interesting lesson that gives us more information about the history. Okay, thank you.